So, what the heck are we doing here, Lanny, at 3:20 a.m.? Procrastinating on making this episode of UNDERTUBED because, well, I've been feeling pretty depressed. No question about it that I've got lots of issues with depression and stuff, but all y'all's nice comments and stuff kind of made me just kind of want to do it again. I skipped Sunday completely, partly because of that, and also because nobody watched Billy, really, like, relative to the other people. That's right, buddy, it's sad. So, shout out to, if you're watching this and you haven't watched Billy yet, go watch Billy. You guys are missing out, because like you can see, it's like 164, 36, 77, and it's just because this was Sunday, and I had a feeling that was going to happen. So go like, share, subscribe, and make sure you do that all on the old Twitter and Google Plus and all that good stuff. And that brings us to who we are going to be talking about today, and that is a lovely family that are living coast to coast. And I'm sure most of you are subscribed to them already because they're kicking ass. But I think they need the watch times still. I think they're down low. So, you know, let's all come on down and give them some watch time. Woo! And you know how to do that by hitting play all their playlists. But they have a good playlist all in order. I've been going through that. And the very first video is, of course, them going through their massive trailer. But they kind of need it, since they have like 5 people living in it. So that's a little bit more than me. But yeah, that's their thing is, I'm sure they don't mind it. But yeah, they're gypsies, basically. And they're traveling coast to coast, living in their trailer. Doing it. My sister wanted to do that with her kids, but she couldn't afford it. But they're on like their second family. They're like almost senior from what they were saying in their about tab there. We'll get to that. So they're like, my friend Dalen's family was a lot like that. His parents had a set of 3 kids, and after you know, they were quite old already, like 18, 19, and then they had like 3 more kids basically right after that. And so they were like 60, you know, they were very old parents. It was kind of weird because it was almost, you know, like everybody else's parents were like 30, 35, and then you go to Dalen's house and his parents were like, you know, 60 years old, but they were always nice people and stuff. But yeah, this is just a kind of a cool thing, right? And that's kind of their deal. And they're taking their kids coast to coast, living it up, which is pretty cool. I've been, when I was a kid, I didn't go anywhere. We were very poor. So there's the biggest mall in the world right in Edmonton. Well, it used to be the biggest mall in the world. It's no longer. West Edmonton Mall. It was the biggest mall in the world for a very long time. And I've only been there, like, as a kid, I'd only been there, like, maybe twice or 3 times. Like, it was on one hand I could count, right? It's, like, not like we did anything when we went there. Didn't go to Galaxyland or anything cool like that. Except for one time with Mike, and, like, his parents paid for it all, but I was too scared of the rides, so... His kids, hopefully, will be less scared of everything, because they're doing everything, and that is really cool. Like, you get to go on all sorts of cool adventures with them. Like a shootout at the bank. I haven't watched that one yet. I'm excited to see that one. So, you can check out some cool Christmas lights. Splish splash time for a bath. And yeah, it starts out and they're like at an alpaca farm. I want to get alpacas one day, I think. Or, what the heck? It's an alpaca and a llama. A llama is like a tamer version, and alpacas are like, they're meaner, because they're mostly just bred for their fur and meat, whereas a llama is basically like a horse, kind of, right? They're that smart and that tamed because the llamas they used to use around children and stuff more back in the day. But yeah, like they go on some cool ass adventures, which would have been really sweet to do as a kid, I think. So they definitely need the love and they need the support. Because yeah, you can see a lot of their videos. His DIY ones are doing pretty good. And like this how to replace a jackknife couch. But for the most part, a lot of it's, you know, sitting around 32 views. And he cranked out the math in this video right here. So if you're too lazy to do it yourself, this lovely video will help you with the math and the new rules and all that. And yeah, they need more views. I was gonna ask, I asked them, but he hasn't got my message yet. So I was just like, I did the math in my head, mental math. Yeah, it's not quite there because a lot of these videos are quite short too. I don't know your name. I didn't know your name. I only know like one of the kids' names. I know. I'm terrible with names, so we've all established this though. Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. Only one I remember. But that's because she like is the weird one, so. She was acting weird in that first video. Stood out a bit more. And then it didn't introduce the parents really, so. But he's around and he's a great dad. And he's always teaching them how to do the stuff too. Like, not like me and makes you go stand in a corner somewhere. But no, like, even he got the kids to help with the lock and they were helping them do, got a little budding cameraman there. Camera person. Yeah. But yes, very sweet family. And they're going all sorts of crazy places in the States, so. Yeah, see. When Anastasia was here, we got her using the power drill and stuff. She had a lot of fun making that stupid. Yeah. Oh. I know it's past their bedtime. But I got motivation to make this now, chicken. It's okay. But yes. Alright. Let's go to their About tab. So, welcome to our channel. Hi, hello, and howdy. See, I love him already. He likes alliteration and saying hi way too many times. We will be documenting our travel adventures throughout the United States. We decided to do this as a video log for ourselves and our extended family. After watching YouTube videos of other families doing the same thing, we decided to post these publicly for your entertainment and decision making. We are happy to expose you to the good, the bad, and the silly. Yeah, and like, the kids especially are probably going to really appreciate this when they're older, because like, there wasn't much documented of me as a kid. I was the third child, so by then my mother was pretty sick of kids. And didn't document me too well. No, I think she was just too poor by then, but that's what she always says anyways. We are a husband and wife nearing the age to receive discounts galore. Like I said, yeah, they're getting near senior, but it's not stopping them from doing what they want to do. And who are raising our second set of kids, all three girls. The youngest says that dad is girl trapped. Oh, yes. I think that's what's going to happen to my friend Chad. He's just going to end up with like 3 girls. We're starting our adventure in a 36-foot travel trailer parked at an RV park alpaca farm in North Texas. We were full-time but stationary, well, mostly, for the first 2 or 3 years. We make an occasional weekend trip while we're stationary, and we want to be mobile so much that we can barely stand it. Good things come to those that wait. And yeah, they hope you enjoy them, and I hope you enjoy them too. Because yes, there's some nice people. And he's stopping by quite a bit, and he's saying hello. And I was gonna do him and his family, and then I seen that they had like I seen that they had a lot of subs, so I was gonna hold off for a bit. But no, whatever. They're nice people. Go watch their videos. They made me smile today, so I'm sure they're gonna make you all smile. What was my stupid duper tip of the day? Did I even have one? Yeah, that it just made me sad because like my stupid Let's Play got the same amount of views as that, and I just do that because I pad my watch time a bit. You know, 36 people watch an hour-long thing. That's 36 hours. Bam, right there. You know, 36 people watch a 10-minute long thing. That's, you know, not nearly as much. But, you know. So, yes, please go watch Billy. That's my super duper YouTuber tip of the day. Go watch Billy. He's awesome. He's a good guy. Good guy. Sorry. I can't talk anymore. And yes, go watch these lovely people as well. I'm sure you guys are already watching them a bit. But yeah, go click them. And yeah, if you have like, if you're one of the me peoples, if you have multiple accounts, you can watch multiple times. Because for some reason I have 3 YouTubes. Because like, I used to have a second phone. So I had 2 phones. So I had to have 2 accounts for that basically, and then I had to have 1 account for well, because like I had a business one and then I had a home one, and then I had and then I made a channel one, so now I got 3 freaking like YouTube subscriptions basically. So like now I can watch Troy again, right? So we can watch Troy. I'm sure
My name is Sam Ovens, and I help people start and grow 7-figure coaching and consulting businesses.
I'll pad my runtime with you, Troy.
So what do you want to hear this time? Okay, okay.
Shouldn't pad my runtime, Troy. You swear, Troy. Bad. It's a bad Troy. Troy likes guitar. Alright, that's all the time you get, Troy. But living coast to coast, we can find them again, and they have 1,199 subscribers, and we can subscribe again. But first, before we do that, we're gonna totally watch this video, and I'm gonna pad my runtime with your video as well. Okay, that's enough. I just really wanted one part. Oh, where is it? Yeah, there we go. Comment, like, before subscribing. Alright. Now, this account in particular can't comment. Because if I comment, then it wants to make a channel. So, instead, we're just going to watch it. But we're also going to share it to our Twitter, and then I can bring my head back here. If you hold control and use your mouse wheel, whoa, it'll zoom in. Woo! Whatever you're looking at on the web. So what we're gonna do is, you can see we already got the workings of a very, very beautiful, beautiful running sentence here. And then we can go like that, and we can add an extra hashtag here to be extra fancy. And I noticed that, like, we might as well bam it, and then we could bam another hashtag. And then that's just gonna help this get found a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add my hashtag because it's mine, and it just helps me track what I'm doing. You don't have to use it necessarily. It's okay. I'll get over it. Use IAMACREATOR though. And then we'll just put love, and then family, because whatever. And then we got tiny houses. houses because they're kind of tiny house in it, and it's like and then travel, and then yeah, just lots of great keywords, and we're listening to music. I already watched this video, so you're gonna have to watch it too because it's a great video. And now we can hit like, and now we can hit subscribe because we participated and we actually did something. We shared their video, even. Well, not yet, but twatted. Now the world knows. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. It's a catchy jingle you found there. But yes. Oh. There we go. Haha. Perfect. Has everything I need. Oh, now I'm in the way of everything I need. Sounds like my life. There. I'm stealing your slot there. Okay, there. Good. But yes. Thank you for watching. Do everything I said in this video. Love these people. They're lovely, lovely people. And I'm curious because one question I'd have is like, what are you guys doing for school for them? Is it like you guys like homeschooling it, or are you like just like making them use YouTube? I don't know. That'd be cool to see. Maybe like their school day or something. I thought that would be, I don't know. I was just thinking about that. So yes, watch these people. Maybe they'll make a video about that, and we'll get to see that. And then yeah, bye everybody. That awkward moment.